everyone. Today I'm going to show you and demonstrate to you how to plant your seedling. I have here 2 months old seedlings, Plumeria seedlings from different seeds for almost 2 months. But it's gonna be fall, so we need to bring in our seeds inside the house. The way we do it so that the roots will continue on and they will grow better is to plunge it on a small pot like this one, like 4 inches. Okay, what you do is you need to pull them out from the GP lobe, from this one. This is called a seedling of Eva Lani. I have several seedlings. I'll always do them like in 4s or into 3s. So I'm putting it here. Okay, let me put this away for a while. Okay, I have to plant them here in this 4-inch pot, like this, like in a triangle. You put the soil up to almost over half, like 1/3, and then you have 1/3 of the inches of the pot. So when you put it down, it's gonna be submerged. Oh, I have a friend here. Look who is here. I have a butterfly. No, it's a spider. My visitor. Okay, anyway, and then after that you have to scoop the soil and put them together inside like this, like that, right, until they are filled up. This, the reason why we need to put the soil or plunge them is because it's cold and it's getting cold, and they need some protection from the very young roots of the seeds. And then after you pack like this, compact them all together, you will have to, if it's so dry, you need to put some water. If it's still moist, you don't need to put the water. You'll just water them underneath. Okay, this is how you do it. Look. The seedlings should not be go dormant on the first year, so that they would grow better. And of course, the leaves, you don't want your seedling to be no leaves during the in the spring. Okay, so this is how you do it. This is how I do it. It's compact now. All right, so if you have some questions, let me know, and have a great day. God bless. Bye.